Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different, and that is give you guys a tour of where I work every day, here in the booth. I'm going to take you around the office. I'm going to show you the inside and the outside of my Voice Suite recording booth here, and hopefully give you a little bit of inspiration on what you might be able to do with your own space. I'm going to show you where I started in the closet and where I currently work now, and hopefully that'll give you a little bit of insight on what I do day in and day out. But before we get to that, if you're new here, my name's Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor, and I run the Voiceover Blueprint training program and YouTube channel, where our goal is to give you zero-cost information about how to grow and sustain your professional voiceover business. And if you want to go a bit deeper into that topic and learn what it actually takes to become a full-time working voice actor, then click on that link down below, and I'm doing a webinar coming up this Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're going to go over the steps that you take to get into the voice acting industry. I'll answer your questions live on the call, and I'll also throw in a copy of my book, The Voiceover Blueprint, which is the book that I wish I had when I started. You'll get the digital download PDF as well as the audiobook, plus 4 free gifts just for showing up. So once again, click that link down below in the description or pinned comment to join the webinar this Tuesday, absolutely free, and get a copy of that book for free as well. But for now, let's get back into the studio. All right, so here we are, guys. This is my office where all the magic happens. And as you probably already know, I'm a big skateboarding fan, so I've got lots of skateboards on the wall. Used to do this back in the day for a living, but now I just do it for fun. And here's the rest of the office here, more skateboarding stuff. But before we get into the main event, which is my actual studio over here, I'll show you where I used to record, where I first started in my closet booth, and that is right here. But since then, I've changed the door and made it a hidden door. So you pull this little right there, and that opens up. And this is where I used to do my recording. It is back to a closet now, but you can still see the remnants of some of the foam that I had on the ceiling at one point. But there's the closet. So we'll shut this back. And over here we have this giant mess of cords and cables. I'm running a Mac Studio M2 chip computer and all the accessories here. And of course that all runs into this port down here. Now this booth is called a Voice Suite, and they have since closed. They've gone out of business, unfortunately, but this is the 6x8 booth that I had them custom make for me because I wanted a much bigger studio than what I was in here in the closet. And so, yeah, I splurged a little bit, and I've had this booth now for, I don't know, probably 3.5, maybe 4 years now, and it has served me well. In fact, I can do most of my recording with the door open, and it still is very quiet in the booth. So with that said, let's get inside and see what's going on in here. So first we're looking at the back of the booth here. This is the Voiceover Blueprint book that I've got. This logo right here is actually an acoustic panel. It is made by a company called Acoustical Solutions, and they can do, you know, all kinds of different graphics on acoustic panels. So I went ahead and got one of those when I bought this booth, just to kind of fancy it up a little bit. There's a couple of skateboarding trophies. But here is where I work on a regular basis. So I got dual monitors here. One of the things that I wanted in this booth when I first got it was I wanted some ventilation and I wanted some windows. And because I live on a cul-de-sac, you can kind of see out the window here. And so I'm able to get some sunlight natural light in here, unlike when I was in the closet. And I've got another window here, another window here, looking back into the office. Got my lighting here for when I do my videos. All I need to do is just hit this one button, turn those on. Those are by a company called LoomCube, which is a pretty cool little company idea. They've got some really cool options for task lighting and video lighting, so I like those. Wireless keyboard and mouse to talk to the Mac Studio. Got a little fan here. Got my 416 microphone. Another cool thing about this booth is that it's got ventilation. So it's got intake here, which is down here. And then we've got exhaust up here. So that'll pull all the hot air out, and this sucks in all the cool air. And by the way, those are controlled by boxed fans. You know, these are baffled fans that suck in the air there and suck out the air there. So that keeps the booth nice and cool. Now, I don't run those fans when I'm recording most of the time because they do make a little too much noise for recording, but I can turn them on when I'm editing or, when I'm not recording, and that keeps the booth pretty cool. But like I said before, I can usually record with the door open here, and it's definitely not too loud for the recordings, as long as, the ceiling fan isn't running and stuff like that. But oh, also, this is a raise and lower desk, so I can hit this button here, and that will raise the entire desk up to standing height and allow me to stand up and work. So that raises the entire workstation up. And of course, if I needed to go back down, hit another button, and that'll drop it back down. And I do that off and on throughout the day just to kind of, stay a little mobile. Got my bass traps here. This is all RLX foam. So RLX is kind of the industry standard foam for, recording foam or sound dampening foam. Can't forget the FAM. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is where I spend my days, in the booth. So hopefully that gives you a little idea of what I'm working with and what I do day in and day out here. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little tour around my humble little office space here. Hope it helps you kind of get some insight on what I do here day in and day out. And if you like this kind of content, if you like our channel about voiceover, would love to have you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's the best way to help our little channel here out. And if you have a comment or questions about my booth or anything we talked about today, feel free to drop that down below as well. And if you want a full breakdown of all the different kinds of booths that you can build, whether it's a DIY booth or a recording booth like this and everything in between, then check out a video I made recently on that right there.